write down all the factors of 735. To write all the factors, first we should do the prime factorization of it. So let us do. That is 735. For this number, last digit is 5, so we take 5 here. First number 7, a number close to 7 in 5 table is 5 ones 5. 7 minus 5, 2 carried forward, making it 23. A number close to 23 in 5 table is 5 fours 20. 23 minus 23, 3 carried forward, making it 35. When do we get 35 in 5 table? 5 sevens 35. Now here last digit 7 not even, so this number not divisible by 2. Next prime number 3. To check divisibility by 3, for that we should add the digits. That is 1 plus 4 plus 7. We get 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. So this number also divisible by 3. So we take 3 here. First number 1 smaller than 3, so we take 2 numbers, that is 14. A number close to 14 in 3 table is 3 fours 12. 14 minus 12, 2 carried forward, making it 27. When do we get 27 in 3 table? 3 nines 27. Now here we have 49. 49 is 7 square. 7 into 7, 49. So 7 times 7 is 49. Now here we have 7. 7 is a prime number, so 7 ones 7. Now 735 is equal to the product of these numbers. Okay, product of these numbers, that is 5 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay, now let us write down all the factors of it. Any number you take, that will definitely include 1 and the number itself in its factors. I repeat, any number you take that will definitely include 1 and the number itself in its factors. Next. Now from these numbers, you select one different number at a time. Like that, how many numbers do we get? We get 5, 3 and 7. That's it. Next. Now from these numbers, you take a combination of two numbers. How do we do that? See. First, you fix 5. Combine with 3. 5 into 3, 15. Now you combine with 7. 5 into 7, 35. If you combine with this 7, you get the same number. So leave 5, fix 3. Combine with 7. 3 into 7, 21. If you combine with this 7, then also same. Now leave 3, fix 7, combine with 7. 7 into 7, 49. Okay. No other combinations possible. Next. Now you take the combination of 3 numbers. How do we do that? See. First, you fix these two numbers, that is 5 into 3, 15, combine with 7. 15 into 7, 105. Now, even if I combine with this 7, then also the same. Now, this 5, you combine with 7 and 7. 5 into 7, 35. 35 into 7. 7 5 is 35, 7 3 is 21, we get 245. So now with 5 combinations have been done. Now you take all these 3 numbers, that is 3 into 7, 21, 21 into 7, 147. Okay, no other combinations possible. Next, now you take the combination of 4 numbers. How do we do that? See, over here we have only 4 numbers. When we take all the 4 numbers, we get 735 itself. Therefore, all these numbers are the factors of 735. All these numbers are the factors of 735. Am I clear?